In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to have ChatGPT to write a resume. So, couple of things that you have to do in order to get this done through ChatGPT. I'm going to let you know the steps here. So the first thing that you're going to do is once you've opened up ChatGPT, log into your ChatGPT, and once you're open up with your ChatGPT here, so what we're going to do first is we're going to gather the right informations first. Okay, so before you ask ChatGPT, have these informations ready, such as the job title and job description which you want to like apply for, and your work experiences, okay, where you have worked and what you have achieved, so those details, your education details, your skills details, any certifications or projects or awards or anything, okay, and your experience and industry. So basically you don't need a perfect wording, so you can have this information as bullet points ready, because we'll be using this to provide to ChatGPT to create the resume, because ChatGPT needs to know about you so that it can tailor you a resume. Okay, so have these details, basic details about yourself handy first. And once you've got that, next what we're going to do is open up ChatGPT. So once you're here, instead of writing, say, write my resume, okay, write my resume and then give your details, instead of that, because that will work, but it's not going to give you a more clear and a specific resume for the job you are applying, right? You need a more tailored resume. So what you can do is you can make use of ChatGPT better. So try to give a clear and specific prompt. So a sample prompt which I've created, so which you can try here, for example, something like this. Okay, so I'll just show you that. Okay, so this prompt here, okay, all right, so here, okay, in this prompt I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write a one page. I don't want too long, so one page, ATS friendly. So ATS friendly because it's applicant tracking system which is used by the recruiters, so we need something that's ATS friendly resume for whatever role. So if for example here it's a warehouse assistant role, okay, so you can just put in your role, so whatever your job title is. Okay, and then here provide your target job description. So for example here I'm using warehouse manager, but you can paste your job posting here, like whatever job that you're applying for, you can simply paste it here. Okay, so the ChatGPT knows or for which job we are creating this resume for. Okay, so do that. And next is my background, which is your background. So just let them know where you're from, what's your background and your experience. So like for example here I have worked 5 years as warehouse assistant. I'm giving like details, and then my company's roles and dates, and including the dates. Okay, so where you have worked, what is the company name, and from which years, because this information needs to be in your resume, right? So you need to provide this information so that ChatGPT can create the resume based on this information here. Okay, so under your background, your experience, your work experience, your companies that you have worked, and any achievements, okay, any metrics if possible. So for example like best employee of year or something like that, something what you're achieved, input those details there. And then your educational details. Okay, so what is your educational qualification? Well, most probably like related to the job you are applying, so just mention that. Okay, and once you are done, next is the skills. Okay, so the skills, okay, so input the skills that's applicable for you and for the job that you're applying for. So just input those skills so that like ChatGPT can put these into the resume. So just input those skills here. You can simply type it or just paste it if you have it, or if you already have a resume, like an old resume, you can just extract the informations from there and then like plug it in here. That's fine, all these skills details here. And once that's done, next what we're going to like enter here is the style. Okay, so you have given the information about yourself and the job you're applying for, right? That's fine. Okay, now what style the resume, because you need to mention that. Not only that, ChatGPT knows on what style to present it. So for example, I want it in professional and more concise to the job I'm applying for, so mention that, professional, concise. That's fine. And then you want it in bullet points with action verbs. Okay, this is you can customize this based on how you want to, but this is as an example. I'm saying like I want it in bullet points with action verbs because I needed a short a resume or one page one, so it's better in bullet forms. That's fine. And then quantified results wherever possible. Okay, so it looks good. And then your resume format. So for example, if you're in US, your US resume format, or based on your location, wherever you are, you can just say that in which format you want. And the output will be in plain text, because we're going to later on copy or paste it or do whatever with the plain text, so that we can just copy and paste it. So you provide all this information here. So this is the basic. So once you provide all this information here, hit on send. Okay, so now what happens is that ChatGPT now will create, it'll tailor a resume for you based on the information that you provided. So now, as you can see here, it has given me a sample here. So let's say my name. So I just have to plug in my name, my personal details here, which is fine, which is optional. So my personal details here, and with the professional summary and my professional experience here, see education, and I can just add in customize this with the dates and names later, my skills here, and then anything else if I want to. So this is the basic one we have created. So now this is fine, but we can still work on this. So what you're going to do is ask for tailoring, because most recruiters use applicant tracking system. So ask ChatGPT to optimize it, to use it. So what you can do is you can ask them, tailor this resume. So for example, you can use this prompt, tailor this resume specifically for the job title or the job description above that you provided. Highlight the keywords and skills from the job description that ATS system will look for. So this will ensure that your resume will be spotted well through ATMs when it goes through the ATS. So just try to do that. So try to do that and hit on send. Then ChatGPT will use this to it's tailor it to optimize the ATS to be trackable on ATS. So try to do this. Apart from these, you can also try to illustrate like a recruiter would. Like example, great resumes are always revised multiple times. So try to use follow-up. You know that ChatGPT remembers you. So now the ChatGPT remembers the context what we are talking about, and also your details, so you don't have to mention it again. So all you can do is you can write follow-ups, like for example, rewrite the bullets to be more achievement focused, or make this more senior level. Okay, all right, remove any weak or generic bullet points, something you refine it and make it much better. So do that. Okay, so do that, and then this once you provide these prompts this. So for that, once the refining is done, then only you will get a polished resume, one final polished resume. And then once you get the polished resume, then you can again further proofread it. You can ask ChatGPT to proofread for clarity, grammar, and any impact, and you can replace any weak verbs. This is one last thing that you can do. So just do that, and then that will give you a final well created, tailored resume according to for the job that you're applying for. Because it's always best to create the resume based on the job you're applying for, because not all it's not all jobs require the same resume, because the resume need to be tailored for specific jobs. So try to always give the job descriptions and then tailor resume based on that. Okay, so it's always best to do that, and ChatGPT can do the job for you. So once everything is fine and you're happy with the resume, you can simply paste the text here. So you can click on this copy option here and then paste it on a Microsoft Word, or create a PDF document out of it, and then you can just use it for your job application. So these are the ways how you can use ChatGPT effectively to create your resume. Hope the video helps.